Hi everyone, welcome back. So in this video, I'm gonna share with you how you can add a moving average in Exness. So just follow me and follow the steps. It's so easy and simple. So first of all, open your Exness chart, then go to indicator, this one. Click on it, and here on the search bar, type moving average, okay? And choose this one. Click on it. And now, as you can see here, this is our moving average. Now you have to choose the period you want. So let's go, for example, to our moving average, this one. If you can't see it here, you will see this arrow. Just click on it one time and click on these three dots. Now click on settings. And now we have here the length. So you have to choose the period you want. So let's say you want to add a 50 moving average. All you have to do is type here 50. If you want to add 200, type here 200. Okay. And now if you want to change, for example, the color of the line, click on it here and choose any color you want. So let's say, for example, this one or this white color. We have also here the width of the line, okay, or the thickness. You can choose, for example, this one, and that's it. Now just click on OK. And as you can see here, this is our moving average. And that's it. So I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to give us a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.